Hey everyone! So, it's that time of year again, cold and flu season. Today, I'm sharing some expert tips and tricks on how to avoid getting sick and keep that nasty cold at bay. First off, let's talk about hygiene. It might sound simple, but washing your hands often is your first line of defense against germs. Use soap and water and scrub for at least 20 seconds. If you're out and about, hand sanitizer is your best friend. Next, boost your immune system with a healthy diet. Load up on fruits and veggies. Vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are fantastic. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water helps your body fight off infections. Sleep is another crucial factor. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, so give it the rest it needs. Now let's talk about keeping your environment clean. Regularly disinfect common surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and your phone. Yes, your phone is a germ magnet. If you feel a cold coming on, act fast. Drink plenty of fluids like water, herbal teas, and broths. Zinc supplements can also shorten the duration of a cold if taken early. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. And if you're feeling under the weather, do everyone a favor and stay home. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you cough or sneeze to prevent spreading germs. And finally, don't underestimate the power of exercise. Regular physical activity can boost your immune system. Just remember to keep it moderate if you're already feeling a bit off. So there you have it, folks. Keep these tips in mind and you'll have a better chance of dodging that pesky cold. Stay healthy and see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Catch you later.